Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded any full tutorial video. So it's a new video finally about an eye using ballpoint pen. I will let you know the basic idea behind this drawing. And sorry for the flower part as I haven't recorded the initial part of this video, but the flowers part was very easy for me. Mostly this eyeball is the main area that I've done multiple times because it has to be realistic. So I have done it in multiple layers. I found eyebrows very complicated part at first because I didn't know where in what direction the hair were flowing. Somehow after a few strokes I came to know where these are going exactly and up to what length. It is not easy to get this smooth realistic eyebrow in one layer, so you have to do multiple strokes of lines. I also used little black ballpoint pen in little dark areas of this drawing. In the eyeball also I have used little black ballpoint pen. As you can see here, I am drawing skin very light. It need very much skills. You have to practice a lot if you are a beginner to draw very light skin. So it will come out after so many strokes with various kind of movements like crisscross movement and scribbling. If you are new on this channel, then please do watch my other videos related to ballpoint pen. I've shared so many tutorials about ballpoint pen, from basic to very detailed tutorials about hair, how to draw hair, skin, eye also. The area below the eye, the under eye area, was having so many details, so many wrinkles and details were there, so it was a lengthy process here. I have to draw so many details. This is my best part there, where I did this skin area with most of the wrinkles beside eye. This part I loved to draw. I have to draw it in so many layers. So many layers I have drawn to get the final results of that very wrinkly skin hair. So you have to redo one same place, same kind of linings and all wrinkles again and again. At one attempt it is not going to come, so be patient and draw over and over again at the same place with same technique, with some new lines also, and some dark lines in the very end. I wanted to draw the below face also, little cheek area and nose, but I got tired hair only, so I left it out till here. I will continue my old leftover ball pen drawing that one actress I've drawn, at least 1/4 I've drawn her. The drawing I'm thinking now, okay, I will complete. If I drew next ballpoint pen drawing, then I will draw her only. As I said, I have drawn the brightest areas, like few shiny areas, using white gel pen that gives this little shiny tinkling kind of texture. So it is the final result. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.